Hi, welcome back. In the last video, we have discussed about use effect with no dependency.
If you need to restrict this use effect to be called only for the first time the component is mounted, then we can specify the empty dependency as a second argument to the use effect. I have specified the empty dependency as a second argument. Let's debug this code now.
I'm going to skip showing the debug logs for the component mount stage. I'm going to demonstrate that when you update the name or when you update the counter, the use effect is not run. Here are the debug logs for the use effect run on the component mount stage.
We have our breakpoints in the use effect function. Let's update name, update the counter. If you see, either I update the name or I update the counter, though I have the debugger breakpoints at the use effect, they are not getting called. The reason we specified this effect to be run only for the first time the component is mounted with empty dependency as a second parameter.
We are displaying the same in the browser console.